confused.
Well, I think it's a bit of fun.
What's the box for?
Oh, you could hop in the box. Want to come with me? Okay, I'll have to go have a photo with Turi. Good afternoon, Pymble family. Can I tell you, this morning when I got up and I put on this very, very, very bright pink outfit, I wandered down to the coffee shop. Perhaps there were many people looking at what on earth was I doing in a Be Your Best Barbie shirt with a bright pink outfit on, wandering around the streets of Pymble. Today's assembly is not really about Barbie, it's really about you and about girl power and being the very best version of you and the best version of your Barbie that you can dream up in your life. There's a little bit of weird, I think, in each of us, and one of the things that Weird Barbie made me think about was about this whole idea of belonging and where we get our sense of belonging from. Did you know there was a great study done about belonging? What's the opposite of belonging? It's actually fitting in, where you need to compromise who you are to feel like you belong. I really, really hope that as you grow and become who you are here at Pymble, that you'll be able to be your best Barbie and feel like you really belong here in our school family. That is my dream for what our community could be. Thanks to the Year 8 girls who really encouraged me to be courageous and step forward and do this assembly for them. They believe that Pymble is a place where everybody feels a great sense of belonging. So be your best Barbie, ladies, and lean into that uniqueness in you and feel that sense of belonging.